Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode of KitchenWise. So I was recently in South Beach, Miami, happened upon a Ghirardelli store and tasted the most decadent, amazing drink ever. Decided to recreate it here at home. That drink was a pumpkin spice caramel hot chocolate. So today we're making a pumpkin spice salted caramel hot chocolate because that's just all of my favorite things mixed all into one. Our recipe serves 5 people, so what we're going to use is 20 ounces of cream as well as 20 ounces of milk, 10 ounces of dark chocolate, as well as 10 ounces of Hershey's chocolate caramel, a half a cup of pumpkin, I'm using canned pumpkin today, a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice, and just a pinch of salt. First, we're just going to heat our 20 ounces of cream, as well as 10 ounces of the dark hot chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over the stove. Woo! Start it heating and start whisking it together. Let's move to the stove. So right now I'm just whisking together the cream and the dark chocolate, but I've got the rest of my milk, 20 ounces of milk, and the 10 ounces of the chopped caramel chocolate, and they are ready to go in. I'm going to dump them in any second. So our chocolate is all pretty much melted. Now comes the pumpkin part. Here is half a cup of canned pumpkin. I'm going to whisk that in, along with a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice and a pinch of sea salt. There we go. Okay, it smells so delicious. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to try it. I think this is something that everyone needs to have on a cold day. These look and smell so delicious. I don't know if you can hear that. But now we come to the best part. The topping. So I'm loading mine all up with whipped cream, caramel sauce, yum. Now add in a little bit of the sea salt on top. That looks so good. And I think we're ready to try. What do you think? All right, now we're ready to try. Let's see how it compares. Perfect. Everyone needs to make these right away. Okay. Thanks for joining us on this episode of KitchenWise. Ready to try it? Try it. It's so good.
Mom, ready for your present?
Huh? Yeah. Do you want to come try it? It's so good. Okay. I don't even remember what it's called. Wait, pumpkin spice. Salted caramel. Wait, pumpkin spice first. Pumpkin spice salted caramel hot chocolate. Actually, let me bring these over. I know. Ew. I'm joking.